So this question says, in 1 kilometer races, runner 1 on track 1 with time 2 minute 27.95 second appears to be faster than runner 2 on track 2, 2 minute 28.15 second. However, length L2 of track 2 might be slightly greater than length L1 of track 1. How large can L2 minus L1 be for us still to conclude that runner 1 is faster? Okay, so let me write what all given. So given that L1 is already given as 1 kilometer, so we can write is 1000 meter. L2, if we consider, it is given as it is slightly greater, right? So we are considering is x times delta x, which I am writing just like x. So 1000 plus x meter long L2. Okay, now the time is given, so I am writing t1. T1 is given as 2 minute 27.95 seconds, so we can convert it into seconds. 27.95, which will give us a value of 147.95 seconds, right? Now for t2, it is given as 2 minute 28.15 seconds, 2 minute and 28.15 seconds. So again we can convert it into seconds, 28.15, so this will give us a value of 148.15 seconds. Okay, so if we have to write down the speed of runner 1 and runner 2, we can directly write it as v1, which will be L1 upon t1. Similarly, I can write a speed of runner 2, which will be v2, which will give us a value of L2 upon t2, right? And if we have to write down L2, so we can write it directly like v1 can be written as 1000 upon 147.95, and v2 can be written as 1000 plus x upon 148.15, right? So see, it is given that we want to find out that runner 1 is faster, right? It means v1 is greater than v2, so we can use this same relation. It's given v1 is greater than v2, right? So we can write this like 1000 upon 147.95. this should be greater than 1000 plus x upon 148.15, right? So now we can just cross multiply it if we want, and we can solve. Since all the numbers are positive, there is nothing negative in all of this, so we can directly cross multiply this relation. This will give us a value of 1000 into 148.15. this should be greater than 147.95 into 1000 plus x. From here we can find out this 1000 plus x, this should be less than 1000 into 148.15, 147.95, right? And from here we can write x should be less than 1000 into 148.15 upon 147.95 minus 1000. So if we calculate this x will come as less than 1.35 meter. This should be an approximate value. So if we want to find out that even if we want to find out how large can L2 minus L1 be, for us still to conclude that runner 1 is faster. So here we have already written runner 1 is faster, so we have written this relation for that, and this is the L2 minus L1. I am writing here L2 minus L1, L1 minus L2, yeah, L2 minus L1. So this is our answer.